Acknowledge Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, Eastern Adams County in south-central Pennsylvania, York County in south-central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Steelton to Bonneville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lancaster, York, Lower Allen, Hanover, Ephrata, Weigelstown, Elizabethtown, Columbia, Lidditz, Middletown, Millersville, Gettysburg, Mount Joy, New Cumberland, Parkville, Red Lion, New Holland, Manheim, Akron, and Hampton. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 242 to 295. Interstate 83 from mile markers 0 to 39. Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 1. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, and York.